All right, so I want to talk about a way that you can actually get a fragrance cheaper. And one of the ways is through Sephora. They have these gift bags here. I say gift bag, it's a tote. And you get 11 samples. So 11 fragrances in here. Yes, you have to pay for this. Don't get me wrong. This costs $95 for this set right here. But some of the fragrances in here are actually worth it because they cost more. So then what do you get? So inside this, you have this nice little dot kit. It's a little cheap feeling, but you know what? It'll work. You can actually travel with this. It'll be fine. Inside, you get this right here. What is this? This is a free fragrance. Now, yes, you're paying for the actual kit, so it's not technically free, but you give this to the people at Sephora. Say, I want one of the fragrances that are in this set, the 11, and you get to leave with the fragrance. That's how I got Tom Ford Ombre Leather. And spoiler, the one that I think is actually worth it is Tom Ford Oud Mineral. Now, some of these other fragrances on here, for example, they have Spice Bomb Night Vision. I think that's the EDP. You can get that cheaper at discounters. They have 1 million Royal. I can get 100 ml at Joma Shop for about $67. So it doesn't make any sense getting this. And they know that, which is fine, but they're paying full price for this, so they're trying to just make a deal. They're giving you stuff. There is Eros in here. I think that is the Parfum. Parfum one, that one might cost $100, something like that. So you're saving like $5, $10. And again, I could look up the prices and do a follow-up video on this. But of all the ones on here, the one that I want, is Tom Ford Oud Mineral. I do own pretty much all of them, with the exception of 4. I love that fragrance. And online, you're paying about $165, I think $125 for the 50 ml, $165 for the 100 ml. Maybe it might even be more than that for the 50 ml. But this costs $95. Now, thankfully, there is a way that you can even save more money if you are an elite member of Sephora, meaning you spend enough money, they level you up. They have like a tier list. You can get this for a discount, plus they have sales and coupons, and you can actually get this. That's what I did. My sister's one of the elites, and I was able to buy this on her account and save money. So I think I only paid $75 for this fragrance set. So $75 for Oud Mineral is a crazy good deal. You're not gonna find Tom Ford discounted that much other places. And you know what? It's a great fragrance. So later today, hopefully, I already went to Sephora once, the place was sold out. They called another place, they were sold out. I found another one in town that says they have it. So hopefully later today, I'm gonna go pick it up and maybe I can do a follow-up, or I'll just do a review of Oud Mineral. But again, if you're looking to test out these 11 fragrances and you're curious, hey, do I like them? You can get this and then get one of these fragrances, quote, for free. So it's one way that you can actually get full retail fragrances at a discount. So just thought I'd let you all know. I know a lot of people already know about this, but for those of you that haven't heard of it, Sephora has this set.